Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: gear level, consumables, and a clear role assignment. First, send the scout to the nearest ridge to spot patrol patterns. This gives you intel and safe entry points. Once the scout reports, deploy a smoke charge to mask your initial approach while the heavy holds the main corridor. Make sure to conserve one stamina potion for the flanker's burst sprint. This setup reduces exposure and sets you up to control engagements early. Now you execute the complex middle steps: tighten control over choke points and force enemy clustering. Once done with the initial push, have the heavy pin foes at the corridor, while the flanker clears side rooms and secures objective items. This split keeps pressure and prevents flanking. Time utility use: throw grenades in predicted spawn windows and trigger environmental hazards to cause chaos. Make sure to recheck your ammo and pick up dropped resources before rotating, because sustainability wins long fights. You complete the expedition with a synchronized finish. Call the breaching signal and concentrate fire on the highest value target while the scout secures the extraction path. Once the target falls, immediately transition to the beacon. Move in short dashes using half your stims so you don't arrive exhausted. If the run stalls, here's a quick fix: retreat 10 to 15 meters, break line of sight, reapply smoke or a stun, then re-engage on your terms. This reset often converts a likely wipe into a successful extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.